A binary adder is a logic circuit that can add binary numbers at a time. A hundreds. B thousands. C1. D2. The correct answer is 2. A half adder adds bits. A 16. B 8. C 10. D 2. The correct answer is 2. The 2764 is 65,536-bit EPROM organized as 8192 words of 8 bits each. How many address lines does it have? A 12. B 14. C 13. D 8. The correct answer is 13. What does 4K represent? A 4000. B 4096. C 40. D 400. The correct answer is 4096. Conversion of decimal number 4210 to its octal number equivalent is A 578. B 428. C 478. D 528. The correct answer is 528. D is ultraviolet light erasable and electrically programmable. This allows the user to erase and store until programs and data are perfected. A EPROM. B ROM. C PROM. D RAM. The correct answer is EPROM. The logic 1 in positive logic system is represented by A 0 voltage. B lower voltage level. C higher voltage level. D negative voltage. The correct answer is higher voltage level. Conversion of decimal number 9910 to its binary number equivalent is A 11000112. B 1,11,2. C 11100012. D 111100002. The correct answer is 11000112. The number of 2-input NAND gates required to produce the 2-input OR function is A1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is 3. A2's complement adder subtractor can add or subtract binary numbers. Sign magnitude numbers represent decimal numbers and 2's complements stand for decimal numbers. A hexa sign. B sign hexa. C positive negative. D negative positive. The correct answer is positive negative. Which of the following is not functionally a complete set? A and or. B none. C nor. D and or not. The correct answer is and or. The fan-out capability of a digital building block can be defined as a the number of inputs that one output can transmit to. B the amount of cooling required for fanning the hair out. C the number of inputs that can transmit to one input. D the maximum power dissipation heat generation that the unit can stand. The correct answer is the number of inputs that one output can transmit to. Conversion of an octal number 738 to binary number is A 1,10,111 B 1,11,102. C 1,10,010 D 1,11,011. The correct answer is 1,11,011. Conversion of binary number 11000012 to hexadecimal is A 5716, B 6116, C 5116, D 4316. The correct answer is 6116. The main advantage of hexadecimal numbers is the case of conversion from hexadecimal to and vice versa. A decimal. B binary. C ASCII. D BCD. The correct answer is binary. Which of the following TTL subfamily is the fastest? A. Standard TTL. B. High-speed TTL. C. Schottky TTL. D. Low-speed TTL. The correct answer is Schottky TTL. The leading bit stands for the and the remaining bits for the is known as signed binary numbers. A. Sign remainder. B. Sign magnitude. C. Value sign. D. Variable value. The correct answer is sign magnitude. A multiplexer is also known as A. Coder. B. Decoder. C. Data selector. D. Multivibrator. The correct answer is data selector. Standard TTL has a multiple emitter input transistor and an output. A. Totem pole. B. Bipolar. C. Register. D. Transistor. The correct answer is totem pole. A shift register moves the left or right. Serial loading means storing a word in a shift register by entering bit per clock pulse. With parallel or broadside loading, it takes only one pulse to load the input word. A. Light 8 clock. B. Write 8 clock. C. Bits 1 register. D. Bits 1 clock. The correct answer is bits 1 clock. A flip-flop can store A. 1 bits of data. B. 2 bits of data. C. 3 bits of data. D. 4 bits of data. The correct answer is 1 bits of data. A logic circuit which is used to change ABCD number into an equivalent decimal number is A. Decoder. B. Encoder. C. Multiplexer. D. Code converter. The correct answer is decoder. Cyclic codes are used in A. Data transfer. B. Continuously varying signal representation. C. Arithmetic and logical computation. D. All of the above. The correct answer is continuously varying signal representation. The digits used in a binary number system are AND. A. 9 and 0. B. 0 and 1. C. 1 and 2. D. 3 and 4. The correct answer is 0 and 1. The two-input XOR gate has a high output only when the input bits are A. Even. B. Different. C. Low. D. High. The correct answer is different. Conversion of binary number 100101022 to its decimal number is A. 7410. B. 9710. C. 7210. D. 6310. The correct answer is 7410. A combinational logic circuit which generates particular binary word or number is A. Decoder. B. Multiplexer. C. Encoder. D. Demultiplexer. The correct answer is multiplexer. The 1s complement of binary number 11010 is A. 00101. B. 00010. C. 00110. D. 11101. The correct answer is 00101. Conversion of binary number 11000002 to hexadecimal is A. 3016. B. 4016. C. 4316. D. 2716. The correct answer is 3016. Conversion of an octal number 168 to binary number is A. 11100102. B. 10001102. C. 11001102. D. 10001102. The correct answer is 10001102. Conversion of binary number 1000112 to an octal number is A. 438. B. 478. C. 498. D. 58. The correct answer is 438. What table shows the electrical state of a digital circuit's output for every possible combination of electrical states in the inputs? A. Function table. B. Truth table. C. Routing table. D. A C table. The correct answer is truth table. What is the hexadecimal equivalent of a binary number 10101111? A. AF. B. 9E. C. 8C. D. All of the above. The correct answer is AF. The two basic technologies for digital ICs are bipolar and MOS. Bipolar technology is preferred for and whereas MOS technology is better suited to LSI, A. SSI MSI, B. MSI LSI, C. SSI LSI, D. ECL DTL. The correct answer is SSI MSI. Small-scale integration abbreviated refers to fewer than 12 gates on the same chip. Medium-scale integration MSI means 12 to 100 gates per chip. And large-scale integration LSI refers to more than gates per chip. A. SSI 75. B. SSI 100. C. SSI 1000. D. SSI 10,000. The correct answer is SSI 100. How many outputs signals can a gate have? A. 1. B. More than 1. C. 2 only. D. Both A and B. The correct answer is 1. Conversion of an octal number 125.8 to its decimal number is A. 9010. B. 8510. C. 8710. D. 9910. The correct answer is 8510. What is the main advantage of using MOSFET rather than bipolar transistor circuitry in ICs? A. Much greater complexity, more components than bipolar circuits, better economy. B. Higher operating speed than bipolar circuits. C. Fewer power supply connections are required with MOS ICs. D. System designers are more familiar with MOS circuitry. The correct answer is much greater complexity, more components than bipolar circuits, better economy. The term sum of products in Boolean algebra means A. The and function of several OR functions. B. The OR function of several AND functions. C. The OR function of several OR functions. D. The AND function of several AND functions. The correct answer is the OR function of several AND functions. A shift register can be used for A. Parallel to serial conversion. B. Serial to parallel conversion. C. Digital delay line. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Names, numbers, and other information needed to solve a problem are called A. Program. B. Instruction. C. Data. D. Controls. The correct answer is data. A typical microcomputer may have up to 65,536 registers in its memory. Each of these registers, usually called A. Address. B. Memory location. C. Registers. D. Chip. The correct answer is memory location. Conversion of binary number crores 1002 to decimal number is A. 102410. B. 103410. C. 112410. D. 103710. The correct answer is 102410. Conversion of binary number 11111 to an octal number is A. 358. B. 328. C. 378. D. 428. The correct answer is 378. Conversion of binary number 1011102 to an octal number is A. 358. B. 468. C. 568. D. 58. The correct answer is 56-8. The hexadecimal number system is widely used in analyzing and programming A. Registers, B. Chips, C. Microprocessors, D. Vacuum tube. The correct answer is microprocessors. A combinational logic circuit which is used to send data coming from a single source to two or more separate destinations is called as A. Decoder, B. Encoder, C. Multiplexer, D. Demultiplexer. The correct answer is demultiplexer. How many full and half adders are required to add 16-bit numbers? A. 8 half adders, 8 full adders, B. 1 half adders, 15 full adders, C. 16 half adders, no full adders, D. 4 half adders, 12 full adders. The correct answer is 1 half adders, 15 full adders. An odd-parity generator produces an odd-parity bit to go along with the data. The parity of the transmitted data is an XOR gate can test each received word for parity, rejecting words with parity. A. Odd even, B. high low, C. low high, D. even odd. The correct answer is odd even. A gate is a logic circuit with one or more input signals but output signal A 2, B double, C 1, D more than 1. The correct answer is 1.